So hi guys, so I'll just teach you on how we did it like last semester. This is for the paper boat. So here it goes. Okay, so the first thing we did was like fold it in half, like so, or fold it vertically. Okay, okay, fold it vertically, crease it, and then like fold it horizontally. Yep, there you go. Fold it horizontally, and crease it. And then some profs like the cross, some profs don't like the cross. It doesn't really matter as long as you have a paper boat at the end. So so here it goes. And then like, so the next step after doing the cross is like folding it like this and then aligning the vertical line with the horizontal line like so. Yeah, and vertical line, horizontal line like so. So what I like to do is like fold it like that, so that it's like kind of there you go. So and then the other one is like folding it the other way, or so that it becomes symmetrical. Okay, so like so, and then we do like fold it in half, aligning the vertical line, horizontal line. There you go. Okay, horizontal line, vertical line. So we have the cross, or the base of our paper boat. Okay, so the next step is like dividing the paper into 5 columns, 5 equal columns. So what I like to do is that I don't know, we all have our stuff, or we all have our ways on how to do it. So mine is like folding it like this first, and then like estimating it with your eyes. If it's already equal, I mean like this is 3. Yeah, so it's 3 first. Yeah, I'm just estimating it with my eyes. I don't know, maybe it was practiced or something. But okay, and then what I do is that I fold this end with this end. I let them meet at the back like so, and then like I fold it like that. Okay, there's some space there, but it's fine, it's perfectly fine. Okay, and then we do this, align it with the back side or the middle side. There you go. Okay, and then fold it. Yep, there you go. Now it has 5 equal columns. Yay! So I'll like divide it into 3 equal rows now. So 3 equal rows. So what I like to do is, because it's like there's a cross there, we have to like align this line with this line. So yeah, you'll get it too. Yeah. Okay. So there you go. And then you'll see another one. There you go. This is like 3 equal rows. I hope it's 3 or 4 rows. I hope so. So here you go. Okay. Okay, so it's 3 equal rows, and then so this part is like the sandwiching part. So we have this line, and then there's like a 90-degree angle right here. So what we do is that we sandwich the triangular, the hypotenuse right there. We like squash it. There you go, and then fold it at the back, and then do it on the other side. Then the other side, here it is. That hypotenuse, and then like we sandwich it going backwards. Yeah, there you go, going backwards. There you go. And then there's a flap. You just fold it back like that. So on the other side, we do it too. Charan, and then charan. And there you go. Paper boat. Paper boat. Charan.